What you guys doing? Hi guys. That crazy bird, Julio? Who is that crazy chick up there? Who is she? Go check her out. Oh, you all look like drowned rats now after your spray down. Yeah. Is that funny, Maynard? Julio! Hi! Is that Sugar up there? What you doing? Dancing? Silly bird? Are you gonna fly there, Julio? Whoa, careful. Watch that eye, mister. Oh, that's so pretty. Pretty, 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 pretty. There's Julio's cage right across. Happy bud. Look at Sugar. Sugar, 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 Sugar. Sugar, 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 Sugar. Sugar, 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 Sugar. Hi, Julio. Meow. Meow. Hi, Julio. You ready to go to your cage? You're getting ready to fly. Tell by your sway there. You ready to get down from there, Julio? Come here, boy. Come here, Julio. You're getting ready to take off. I can tell. Come here, Julio. Julio, Julio, Julio. Julio, come here. Julio. You going back to your cage there, Mr. Man? You gonna go? I can tell you're about to take off. You ready to get down? Hey, Hul. Come on. Oh, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. Oh, you're not up there very good. Say hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Mommy. Oh, this is a pretty boy. Oh, the pretty boy. You can go check out your cereal.